Alright, so our next chart is going to be a pie chart, okay? And we don't have too many more upcoming. I think this might be the second last or third last in our lines of charts. So we discussed the line chart, we discussed the bar chart, this is the pie chart, and then I know we have the 3D chart planned. I'm not sure if I have any more after that, but let's get started. So the pie chart is a little bit different, not too much different, but it's definitely fun. So what we have to do is to create a basic pie chart, you have to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, that's the basic. And then you want to create a list of sizes. So I'm going to say sizes is equal to, it can be anything you want except at the end of the day, at the end of the day, the sizes numbers have to add up to 100. So if you don't know what a pie chart is basically a circle, and inside of the circle, it's cut up into different pieces, okay? And each piece is part of the whole, and the whole is considered as 100%. So the sizes that you put inside of this array is going to be, or are going to be the sizes in the pie chart. So I'm gonna put 50, 23, 7, 15 and 5. So these are my 5 sizes, okay? And then what I do is I'm going to say plt.py sizes, okay? That's pretty much all I have to do. So save this, and then we're going to say plt.show. So let's take a look, let's see if this works. Might take in 1 or 2 more parameters, and there are quite a lot of parameters, but I believe this should work. Yes, it does. Take a look. So this is, guys, a very basic pie chart, okay? It has 5 different colors, 5 different shades, horrible colors, doesn't even look like a circle, but this is the first pie chart that we have created with the matplotlib module, okay? So one thing I'm gonna quickly fix is, let's make sure these are in descending order so that it doesn't look that bad. So 15, 7, 5 will just make it a little bit better. And now if you take a look, we should get biggest to smallest. So awesome job, guys. This was our first pie chart. It took us 4 lines of code and there was nothing hard in it. Now there is still a ton remaining. You're missing, first of all, it's not even a circle, it's like an oval, so we'll fix that. Second is we want to specify the colors, we'll fix that. Third is we can add a legend and a title. So we need to add a lot more stuff to this pie chart, and we'll do that in the next lecture. See you then.